Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, we have to enter our browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove all of them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you'd like to remove all of them with only one click, just tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, so this is the list we just saw, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything. And you can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. If you are ready, just tap on Clear Data, tap on Clear. And as you can see, the history is empty, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Xiaomi Mi 11i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.